Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make like a one-piece turn into a two-piece set on Dress to Impress by using this kind of glitch. You do need this Roblox item though, so if you go to the dressing rooms and get this set, it is the Denim set, I think. I don't remember what set it is. I think it's like the Denim Star set. Then select the only top and turn off choker and color it to whatever color you want. Then for the first, I don't know why I left the dressing rooms again. Then for the first like outfit that you can like make into a two-piece set is the Style Showdown set. As you can see, it made it into like a two-piece set instead of one. It doesn't work for all of the dresses though. It works for this. As you can see, it turned it into like a two-piece set. What else would it work with? This one maybe kind of ish. What about this one? This one too made it into like a two-piece set. It is a little bit like not the most perfect thing. You do have to like kind of cover that up. What else can this work with? Let me see. What about this one? Okay, it doesn't work with this. As you can see, it doesn't work with every dress there is. It works with like this top here and made it like into a two-piece kind of top. Doesn't work with that lace dress. It works with this like outfit here and made it into like a two-piece kind of vibe, as you can see. But yeah, that is how you can make a one-piece set, a two-piece set on Dress to Impress by using this glitch on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!